How long do dental implants actually last? Hi guys, I'm Dr. Ash, I'm an implant surgeon, and I'm here to answer your biggest questions about missing teeth and dental implants. So, dental implant treatment has skyrocketed over the last 15 to 20 years and has become accessible to almost all the population and very, very popular. Because of this, there are many providers out there who are providing dental implants with varying degrees of training. So, to get back to the question, how long do dental implants last? Well, the first ever dental implant was placed sometime in the 1960s, and to my knowledge, it lasted all the way to 2010, 2014. So it lasted a very long time. However, that was probably a unique case. In today's world, where implants are being placed with everybody of varying different qualifications and experience, I would say that you should be expecting your implant to last around the 10-year mark. Now, that is dependent on a number of factors, such as how well the implant was placed, how often you go and see your dentist to get checked and it looked after, how often you see the hygienist, and what kind of home care you're doing at home to look after that implant. All of those factors have a massive impact. But for the investment that you've made, dental implants usually are known as the gold standard treatment for missing teeth, which means they normally have the most longevity and the highest survival rate. Okay? So how long do implants last? It varies. It can be anywhere between kind of 2, 3, 4 years if the environment was not suitable, to, I think, over 30, 40, 50 years, dependent on a number of factors. I hope that was helpful, and if you want to learn a little bit more, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.